we move on to the next point, which is the presentation of one of the partner organizations which provides the simulations. And I will now give the floor to our partner, Francesca Zumbo, and her presentation of Labster. More on that point. Francesca, floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Leon. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you. My name is Francesca, and I'm the regional director for Italy here at Labster. I'm Italian, but I'm based in Copenhagen. I will just give a very short presentation about Labster, what we do, and I'm very happy to be here and be part of this amazing project. Hoping that we can help developing a lot of the content and ideas about quantum physics and empower the new generation of scientists as a 1-minute video. And then we move on a also just a few minutes of a screencast of a simulation about the law of universe gravitation. And I think, yes, Leon then will share in the chat another link. It's a free access for later. You can have a look and you can play a simulation yourself as the students would do. So you can navigate and just play and answer the questions. It's about Newton's laws of motion. So that would be for later if you guys want to have a look and just experience one of our simulations. So I'm gonna just share my screen.
What if you could give your students access to a fully equipped $1 million laboratory that engages them in science through a highly immersive learning experience? With Labster, you can. Labster offers students access to a realistic lab experience that will let them perform experiments and practice their skills in a fun and risk-free learning environment. Students learn with the help of theory pages and quiz questions and experience immersive 3D simulations that visualize life science down to the molecular level. This helps them understand abstract concepts and master difficult techniques. They're challenged with true-to-life scenarios and missions, stimulating their curiosity and highlighting the connection between science and the real world. Virtual labs are not limited by the time and cost restraints of a physical lab, so students can try out cutting-edge lab equipment, learn from their mistakes in a safe environment, and perform experiments not usually possible in a face-to-face class. Research shows that students learn twice as much when traditional lectures are supplemented by Labster's virtual labs. Get Labster today and help empower the next generation of scientists to change the world.
Yeah, so this just summarizes a little bit of what Labster is, and this is just one of our simulations. I'm gonna just give a few more information while this is screencasting. So Labster is a Danish company, and since 2013 has been developing science virtual labs in biology, chemistry, physics, and general science. We have over 200 simulations. We are developing and updating the content of different topic and simulation. So you will find always more and more advanced simulations. They are all in English. We are also translating in different languages to be able to reach all countries. Our simulations are used by over 3 million of students and more than 2,000 of institutions and university. We collaborate both with higher education and high schools. And the studies, we have a lot of researches. You can have a look at our website and discover more of the content and case studies. We have the researchers that actually tell us that students that use our simulations, they are actually more prepared, more engaged, because they are able to actually visualize and participate and engage much more with our simulations when integrated into the traditional teaching. So actually the ideal situation would be to use Labster together as a part of the traditional teaching. And you can access all the material, and we have all the graphics, all the simulations, the 3D videos. They go from a few minutes up to 10, 20, 40 minutes. So they can be integrated during lectures, and then they can be given to the students even to try at home, so they can practice and they can be more prepared before getting to a physical lab. Actually, by the use of simulations, the risk of accident has been reduced because students actually are more aware and more prepared before actually experience a real lab in person. And we have universities such as Harvard using our simulations, and in Italy we are also growing. In Europe there are many universities that and also high school that are using Labster, and the feedback we have both from professors and teachers and students are really, really good. We have excellent results. It seems that also the professors are very happy with using our simulations because it helps innovate the way of teaching. So it's an upgrade, and also help the students connect the practice of labs into the real world, all the connection, and it's very interactive. They will answer to quiz, they can pose it, they can access the theory, they can do the simulation several times, so they can be more prepared. So it's a very full-in experience, and you will be able to try yourself as the student will be doing when they access Labster. So you can use the link that Leon shared in the chat. And I will just, yes, I'll just, yes, I want to say thank you. And here are my contacts. Please visit the website. You can also subscribe on the YouTube channel and visit our social media. Please reach out for a free demo, for a free access if you want to navigate to all the catalog. As I say, it's over 200 simulations. I will be happy to make a demo for you and get you in contact with the regional directors also for the different regions. So thank you very much, and looking forward to more insights and engaging with the future projects that we're going to do together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Francesca, for this very nice presentation. Actually, there's a question there, and I was going to ask the same thing as well, since my research is also on VR. As far as I have seen, since you have this grasping and so on, I think you can also play it in virtual reality, or is it only a personal computer version where you have the first-person view?
Yes, we actually started with using it with the VR at the very beginning. In the last couple of years, actually since COVID started, we put that on pause for technical usage, because actually they could not, especially at the university or schools, they were not able to, it was not very comfortable to share VR. So for this reason, we decided for now to put it on hold. And you can display and use it on a computer. You just need to have a computer and a good internet connection. And you can access it anywhere at the same time, together with other students. So there's no limits on that.
Thank you so much, Francesca.